just not good enough. Feel so alone here, can't even be myself. Trying to fit in, left only I'm on the shelf. Do I belong here, or should I just stop trying to be somebody?